Hi guys, hope you are doing well. I hope you must have seen our videos of how to apply Australia tourist visa from India and UAE in our other platforms. But in today's video, I'm going to explain you step by step the process of applying Australia tourist visa from UAE. Whether you live in Dubai, Sharjah, Ras Al Khaimah, Ajman, Abu Dhabi, but today in this video I'm going to explain you the detailed version of Australia tourist visa, and you can call it the revisit of Australia tourist visa, like how you can apply, what documents are required, what common mistakes you do while applying Australia tourist visa. Also in this video I'm going to tell you the top 3 mistakes people do when they are applying for Australia tourist visa at the end of the video, and the last one is the most important, so don't miss it. So please watch full video to understand the basics of Australia tourist visa and how you can apply your Australia tourist visa with Akira Tourism. So guys, let's start the video. Before starting the video, let me tell you, my name is Yogesh. I am the owner of Akira Tourism, and our main job is to make sure that your travel experience with Akira Tourism should be the best, not even better, should be the best. Whether you buy hotel, flight, visa, anything from Akira Tourism, your experience should be the best. So please do subscribe the channel, press the bell icon, and let's start the video. So guys, let's start it with the processing time, like how much time it takes after the submission of your application to become approval or rejection. See, usually as per the official Australia embassy, let me tell you, nowadays it's taking little longer, 30 to 45 days. But in our case, we can proudly say the results of our Australia tourist visa applications usually come within 30 days from UAE. So you always count the time you give us documents, but logically it starts when your file gets submitted. And to submit your file, it takes around 2 weeks, because there are a lot of documents that we need to make, lot of things that need to be taken care of before the submission. It's not just you give us payment and we submit tomorrow. No, there is a process, there is a flow that we need to follow and that we need to understand before applying, because we don't want your tourist visa to be rejected because of hurry. Okay, so after submission it will take around 30 to 45 days. Now when it comes to validity it varies case to case. So for example, our recent case, the customer has got around 90 days validity, but in some of the cases our customers has got more than 1 year validity as well. It depends on the case to case. And when it comes to duration, it totally depends on the embassy decision, like how many days embassy wants to give you visa. That depends on the documentation you have provided, that visa officer is going to check. So as per that documents, they will give you the duration. Now let's come to the documents, what is required for Australia tourist visa from UAE. We need your passport copy, visa copy, Emirates ID copy, last 6 month bank statement, and NOC from the company if you are working somewhere in UAE. NOC means non-objection certificate, that you can easily get from your employer. What does that mean? It means that your employer don't have any problem or any objection for you to travel in Australia. So the format of NOC we will provide you. You just need to fill the details in the letterhead of the company, take the sign and stamp and send it to us. And for example, if you are not working somewhere, you have your own company, then we need the self-introduction letter and trade license copy. Now self-introduction letter, it's like same as the NOC. We will give you the format, so you just need to fill it and send it back to us. So these are the documents required for Australia tourist visa. Now what happens when you give us all these documents? So once you give us all these documents, our work starts. Your documents will go from 3 funnels. First, it will go from sales team. Sales team will review each and everything, that each and every document you have given to us, and they will check if there is some documents are missing or incomplete, they will inform you. After that, it goes to the typing team. Typing team will prepare your file, in which the cover letter, itinerary, hotel, flight, dummy, insurance, everything they will prepare it and they will double check. After that, it goes to the submission team. Now when it goes to the submission team, they will submit the application after reviewing it finally. So it goes from 3 funnels. That's why our visa approval ratio is one of the best in UAE. Now let's talk about the pricing part. See, we charge just 1200 AED all over UAE. Whether you live in Dubai, Sharjah, Ras Al Khaimah, in this 1200 AED, embassy fees is also included, our service charge is also included, documentation is also included, so you don't need to pay any 1 dirham extra to us. Everything is included. So guys, if you also want to apply, just contact on the number mentioned above below with the address also given below. Our office is located in Zain Al Mohebi Plaza 101, which is just opposite to Brisbane Center, and you can check our Australia visa success ratio on Google, Instagram. We always upload our visas there, so you can see there. So guys, if you also want to apply, please do contact. I hope you like the video. Please do subscribe the channel, press the bell icon so you don't miss any video. Let's meet in another video. Till that time, see you.